Welcome to our video on freeing your mind and the quest for pure freedom and inner peace. The mind is a powerful tool, but it can also be our biggest obstacle when it comes to achieving true freedom and inner peace. We all have limiting thoughts and beliefs that hold us back from living the life we truly desire. In this video, we will discuss practical techniques and strategies to help you break free from these limitations and find a sense of inner freedom and peace. Number 1. Understanding the power of the mind. The first step in freeing your mind is understanding the power of the mind. The mind is responsible for our thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions of the world around us. It's important to recognize that the mind is not just one entity, but rather a combination of the conscious and subconscious mind. The conscious mind is responsible for our logical thinking and decision-making, while the subconscious mind is responsible for our habits, emotions, and beliefs. Number 2. Identifying limiting beliefs. The next step in freeing your mind is identifying limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are thoughts and beliefs that hold us back from achieving our goals and living the life we desire. These beliefs can manifest in different ways, such as negative self-talk, fear of failure, and self-doubt. By identifying these limiting beliefs, you can begin to challenge and change them. Number 3. Practicing mindfulness. One of the most effective ways to free your mind is through the practice of mindfulness. Mindfulness is the act of being present in the moment, without judgment. It allows you to observe your thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. This can help you become more aware of limiting beliefs and negative self-talk, and ultimately break free from them. Mindfulness can be practiced through meditation, journaling, and other mindfulness exercises. Number 4. Embracing change. The final step in freeing your mind is embracing change. Change can be difficult, but it is necessary for growth and self-discovery. By embracing change, you can let go of limiting beliefs and old patterns of thinking, and open yourself up to new possibilities and perspectives. This can include letting go of old habits, trying new things, and taking risks. We hope you found this video helpful in your quest for inner freedom and peace. Remember, the journey of freeing your mind is ongoing, and it's important to be patient and compassionate with yourself. We encourage you to try out the techniques and practices discussed in this video, and see how they work for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.